Hey y'all, watch me ombre two colors using an airbrush. I'm Tisha with LB Nail Studio, and today we are starting off with this really pretty orange. I will be ombreing this orange into a really pretty red at the bottom. My client's inspiration was an ombre with a flame on top, but to spice it up a little bit, we decided to do a two-color ombre using the airbrush. When it comes to airbrushing, my biggest tip would be to make sure that the airbrush is at least 3 inches away from the nail. This will also depend on your airbrush. So I got my airbrush from Amazon. It is linked in my bio. But for my airbrush, if I'm too close, it will actually push the polish away and it'll show it grouped up in one little spot, and we don't want that. So I did go ahead and wipe that off so that I can redo it and make it a more flushed ombre. Another suggestion when it comes to ombreing nails using an airbrush is to make sure that you're putting the color that you want on top on your nail first. That way, when you go in to put your second coat of polish, if you are ombreing up like I am, you'll have the color in the order that you want. I also don't want to forget to mention that I am using gel polish and I'm mixing it with acetone inside of my airbrush.
When somebody says your name, in my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Understanding what I need.
As you can see here, I'm taking the red polish and I'm just putting that more concentrated at the bottom because we still want the orange to show, but the red intensifies the look of the flame.
It's the reason why.
I'm going to go ahead and let y'all watch me finish ombreing this set. But thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like these. And if you have any other questions about airbrushing, go ahead and put them in the comments below.
I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look.
Be sure to stay for the end result. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were showing the stars outside. What's the reason why? You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby. Yeah. I'm not gonna run now, just gonna stand here. Hey, baby, I see you.